Hey, I'm Mitch, and I work at the Lakeshore Foundation, and we will be doing the seated row today as the inclusive fitness tip. This is Derek. Derek has a low-level spinal cord injury, incomplete. Derek's going to show you how to get set up here for the exercise with very minimal assistance from myself. The reason we're using the weights is so Derek can use enough weight on the machine to get an adequate workout. This allows him to not get pulled forward by the machine when he starts his row. Right? So the only assistance I have for him is for him to just ask me to grab and hand him the weights when he's ready.
Always get the handle mentioned.
On the seated row, Derek is trying to engage his core here so he can stay upright in his chair, along with bringing his arms fully extended out and all the way back to his pecs on each rep. This is working a lot of his posterior chain back here, which is really important for chair users because we get more of a slump forward. So the more we can keep our posture up, the better. Okay, here Derek's going to be performing the same row that we just did. It's just going to be a little different version of it. We're using a different piece of exercise equipment. This is what you'd probably find more often in someone's home so that they can post it to the back of the chair or any other object in the home. It gives them a different kind of resistance. Derek here is really showing the amount of function he has. This is totally independent. He's transferred onto a bench here, and as he slides back, he creates more resistance on the bands. The reason this is better for Derek than the exercise we just did is because he has to engage his core that much more when he rows. See you, Derek. Good. I'm going to also show you guys another adaptation if there is some limited hand function involved. So what Derek can do, if I hold these for him, if he loops his hands in, all he has to do is flip his hand over a little bit on the rubber, and he can pull back without having to actually grip the handles. And that's the seated row and your inclusive fitness tip for the week presented by NCHPAD.